Looking for a pure edge banding machine but worried about high investment cost? Watch this video carefully, because the PRO-610M offers one of the best price-to-performance ratios in its class. This is a 6-function automatic edge bander, capable of running PUR or EVA glue, completing glue application, edge banding, end trimming, top and bottom trimming, scraping, and polishing in one continuous process. More functions, but without paying the premium price. With PUR glue, the edge becomes stronger, waterproof, heat-resistant, and perfect for kitchen cabinets, bathroom furniture, and high-end interiors. What makes the PRO-610M special is that you can achieve PUR-level quality with a very reasonable investment. Stable operation, reliable components, and easy maintenance help reduce downtime and operating costs. Operators can learn fast, production stays consistent, and return on investment comes sooner. If you want to upgrade product quality, increase selling price, and stay competitive without overspending, this machine deserves your attention. Watch until the end to see the real edge finishing results, polishing quality, and why the PRO-610M is considered one of the most cost-effective PUR edge banders